Hi, Pitufo Karpintero po. Ngayong araw na ito, samahan niyo ako at mag-unbox at review ng model CT225R 18V LXT cordless drill driver at impact driver na gawa ng Makita. Ito ang model CT225R compact cordless combo set ng Makita. Available ito sa Amazon at a little over $200 plus shipping syempre. Part of this combo set ay isang cordless half-inch drill driver at isang compact impact driver. Part ito ng Makita LXT family. This is a one system compatible cordless tool system na dinevelop ng Makita. So basically it runs with 18 volts light style rechargeable batteries na interchangeable na siya sa lahat ng LXT products nila. So overall, I feel relief and happy na rin kasi maayos dumating yung box. There is no physical damage inside and outside of the box. So upon opening the box, you'll immediately see yung tool bag niya. 12 by 12 inches itong box type bag at mukhang durable talaga siya. The color is bright and it complements yung Makita blue colored power tools. I specifically like yung bottom support niya para ma-handle niya yung mabibigat na power tools. So, pagbukas nyo ng tool bag, you'll see the paperwork sa inside pocket niya. They always include this 270 power tool poster ng LXT family. Then, the compact impact drill user manual. Then of course the half-inch drill driver user manual. Sana we all find time para mabasa natin to mga manual kasi importante talaga ito. And even the fast charger has its own user manual. And of course, since this is a original Makita, meron siyang good product warranty. Meron din itong shoulder strap for ease handling. Nilalagay siya dito sa magkabilang side rings niya. So this is the model DC18RC Rapid Optimum Charger. Fast charger na siya, so at around 20 to 25 minutes okay na tong 2 amp hour battery ko. Pero take note, this runs with 110 volts AC power. Then this is the model XDT 10Z cordless half-inch drill driver. Attached to it is a 2 amp hour lithium-ion battery. I'd say this is more than enough na para sa mga DIYer na kagaya natin. At this point, wala pa siyang charge. It only has the power to light up the work light, pero not the motor itself. Then, here's the Model XDT 11Z Compact Impact Driver. Also, it comes with 2 amp hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery. And since both are part of the LXT family, pwedeng magkapalit yung mga batteries nila. Likewise, meron akong 3 amp hour battery na lagi kong ginagamit. So, pwede kong pagpalit-palitin yung mga batteries nito. So now, let's have a closer look at these two little monsters. Alright, so unahin natin i-review tong drill driver. This is a compact version drill driver. Pwede for professional at DIY use. This is very versatile kaya pwedeng gamitin sa plastic, sa kahoy, bakal, at pwede rin pang drive ng mga screws. Since LXT family siya, LXT stands for Lithium-Ion Extreme Technology. Interchangeable ang mga batteries nito. Just look for the LXT logo. What I have here is the 3 amp hour and 2 amp hour variants. It can go as high as mga 6 amp hour. So basically the key point here is the higher the amp hour, the longer mo siya magagamit. This also comes with the Makita Star Protection computer control system. All you have to do is check yung star logo nila on both devices. What it does is it allows yung tool and batteries to communicate and exchange real-time data para ma-monitor nila yung condition ng use at to protect against mga overloading nila. This rubberized handle is ergonomically designed kaya madali siyang i-operate kasi abot mo lahat. This is the trigger switch. It has a variable speed operation, so the speed will be depending on how hard you squeeze the trigger. Meron din siyang soft start at saka electric brake. It also acts as a switch ng work light mo. So soft touch lang, mag-activate na yung LED light. Then it automatically shuts down after mga 10 seconds of non-use. This is the lock key, which is also the direction indicator. So you can select forward or reverse or lock it pag nasa gitna lang siya. So if you press the one with the arrow pointing towards you, pa-reverse siya. And on the other hand, if you press the one with the arrow pointing away from you, then pa-forward naman yung drive mo. Then put it in the middle if itatago mo na siya para safe siya, and this will prevent the trigger from being squeezed. The body itself is made of very strong plastic, polyphenylene ether plastic to be exact. It is a strong kind of plastic, heat resistant, high temperature and high impact strength. Now here's the gear selector. It comes with 2 speeds and both are incorporated with electric brakes. Here's the keyless chuck. Hindi mo na kailangan yung mga chuck key like the usual na mga drills. This is designed para magamit ng isang kamay lang. So since this is a half-inch chuck size, kasya dito hanggang 13mm thick na drill bit. In order for us to control the driving power, this particular model comes with 21 clutch stages. Just use the rotary adjustable clutch to switch from 1 to 21. Then you can also use this to switch it to drilling mode. So this drill driver has 2 mode settings. Meron siyang 54 Nm torque on first gear and 1900 revolution per minute on second gear. 21 torque settings and pressure sensitive variable switch trigger. So ito naman yung impact driver natin. It has the same ergonomical rubberized handle design, kaya seamless ang operations at easy to control ito. Just like the drill driver, may kasama siyang belt clip, which is very steady and secure naman. Here you can find the LXT logo, kaya interchangeable siya with other LXT products. Inside, you'll be able to see the star markings niya. It indicates na it supports the Makita Star Protection System. The main purpose of the feature kasi is to improve yung tool performance and extend its battery life. Ang idea kasi niyan is for your tool and the battery to communicate para hindi ma-completely drain or ma-overcharge yung battery mo. Here you can find the variable speed trigger niya with 165 Nm of torque It can run up to 2900 revolution per minute or 3500 impact per minute. Just like with the drill driver, same principle lang with the direction and lock key. Same then when it comes to this work light. It activates upon soft press, then slowly diminishes the light after 10 seconds na hindi ginagamit. I particularly like how the light is very bright and wide enough to easily see yung mga ginagawa mo. Yung case niya is made of the same very strong plastic material. And it's very compact with only around 5.5 inches long. Marami rin siyang mga butas for ventilation and good airflow. Meron siyang 1/4 inch hex bit holder. So you just have to pull the sleeves para malagay mo yung mga bits. If possible, only use yung mga impact rated bits para mas matibay.